Was about to work on this and I said, oh, I probably need to show them. So this is one of the pieces of material that was from those little $5 things that I bought at the Fabric and Fringes. I'm gonna cut the orange piece about the same size as this one. Now I'm ironing my orange piece, getting the wrinkles out of it. All right, so now I've layered my orange, my batting, and my fabric. And I'm just gonna pin it so that it'll stay in place while I think I'm gonna do some stripes on it. Okay, so I've got it to the machine and I have ironed, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a line where my center is. I'm gonna start in the center and then I'm gonna do probably about every inch or two, and I'm just gonna do stripes. So I use my quilting guide at 1.5 inches to make sure each one of my lines is 1.5 inches apart, see? So I have put the stripes this way, every 1.5 inches, and then I trimmed it. And so now I'm going to find a zipper that'll work that I have here, which I don't have a lot of zippers here, and I'm going to put a zipper in it. So my zipper's gonna go down pretty side to pretty side, like that, and I'm gonna sew it. And I'm gonna do that on both sides, using my zipper foot. Okay, my zipper is in, and it is top stitched down. And I trimmed, when I top stitched it, I trimmed the little bit that was there so that when you top stitched it covered, so there's nothing crazy on the inside, if that makes sense. Now we're just gonna box our corners and we're done. I'm just doing a 2x2 corner out of each corner. Okay, so I got the 2x2s out of all of them. Now I'm going to sew across here, but I'm gonna flip it inside out first, and I'm gonna put some tabs here. The only thing I had to make tabs out of was the pieces that I cut out, so I seam ripped them, 2 of them, and I'm gonna sew them down, and I'm gonna use them as my tab. That's done. I'm going to take some orange fabric and do a bias tape like right here on these ends. So see, now the edge is finished. Now I'm gonna French seam the corners. So I turned it right side out. I'm gonna stitch and then turn it inside out and stitch again. Okay, I have French seamed my corners. I'm turning it inside out. This is an odd shaped kind of square bag because of the size of the piece of material that we use. Probably could have 3x3'd it. It might have looked a little bit better. I mean, not that it looks bad. It's just going to be a different shape than what most people are used to for makeup bags. But I still think it's going to be cute. Cute. Precious. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I got to poke my corners out. Make sure my corners are all poked out right. All right. So it's kind of a cube with a zipper.